Hello to all of you, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run group by command in Python. So first of all, we'll go in the environment of Python. Now you will have to import some libraries like pandas and numpy. So run import pandas as pd, import numpy as np. Then create the data frame. df is equal to pd. So once we import this pandas library, we'll be able to use all the functions of pandas. So pd.read underscore csv r. R is used for smooth importing of the data. We'll specify the path here and we will import the data set. Now we want to run a group by command. I'll request all of you that please refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this entire series. All these previous commands I have discussed in my previous videos. So now I'm running the command tm underscore group by underscore df. This is name. You can give any name, right? So df group by, the grouping is to be done according to the gender. So round bracket, square bracket, dot aggregation is to be done. Age underscore mean is equal to calculate the age according to the gender, and the statistics which you have to compute is mean. Round brackets over dot reset index. Now when you will run this data frame again, considering this condition, df is equal to df dot merge. So I'll merge this data frame with the original data frame. And what is the output which we get? Let's see. I'll get a variable with age mean. Now you see here, the grouping is done according to the gender, female and male. And therefore the mean age of male will be same, see, and mean age of female will be same, because the command is running in such a way that age of all female, its mean will be taken, and therefore it will be a one unique value and you'll get one unique value. Similarly, mean of all male is considered and you'll get one unique value. So this is a way you can run group by command, also known as aggregation command, in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos related to data science using Python.